A is for apple, shiny and red, sweet and crunchy when you're fed. B is for ball that bounces so high, rolling and flying across the sky. C is for cat that purrs so soft, sleeping and stretching up on the loft. D is for dog that runs with cheer, wagging its tail when you are near. E is for egg, simple and round, break it open, breakfast found. F is for fries, crispy and gold, yummy and hot when they are sold. G is giraffe, tall in the land, reaching for leaves with a gentle hand. H is for hat you wear on your head, keeping you cool or warm instead. I is ice cream, cold and sweet, melting slowly in summer heat. J is for jam on toast you spread, sticky and sweet before your bed. K is kettle, whistling loud, steaming up like a silver cloud. L is lemon, sour and bright, making your taste buds jump in delight. M is monkey, swinging in trees, laughing and playing in the breeze. N is nest where birds are born, safe and soft from night till morn. O is onion, making you cry, peeling layers as it goes by. P is parrot, colorful and bright, talking and flying in morning light. Q is quilt, keeping you warm, snug and safe from every storm. R is rabbit, hopping around, soft little feet touching the ground. S is snake, sliding through grass, quiet and smooth as it goes past. T is tree, standing so tall, shading the earth for one and all. U is umbrella in rainy weather, keeping you dry when clouds gather. V is vampire, spooky at night, hiding away from morning light. W is witch with magic spell, casting stories you can tell. X is X-ray, showing bone inside your body all alone. Y is yo-yo, going up and